Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a foolproof way to upload pictures to Google Drive and share them with a simple link, perfect for 2025. Whether you need to share photos with friends, send high-resolution images to clients, or just back up your memories, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Stick around until the end so you don't miss a single detail. Accessing Google Drive. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to drive.google.com. If you aren't signed in already, log in with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your main Drive dashboard. This is your cloud storage hub where all your files live. Uploading your photo. On the left side of the screen, click the big plus new button. From the drop-down, select File Upload. A file browser window will pop up. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your photo is saved, select it, and hit Open. You'll notice an upload box appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. That's where you can track the progress. Larger photos may take a few extra seconds, but once it says Upload Complete, you're good to go. Locating and opening the photo. After the upload finishes, you'll find your picture right in your Drive. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it. Click on the photo to open a full preview. Sharing the photo. In the top right corner of the preview window, click the Share button. Look for the little person icon with a plus sign. A sharing settings window will appear. By default, your file is private, meaning only you can access it. Adjusting permissions to share it with others, click the drop-down menu where it says Restricted. Choose Anyone with the link. This ensures anyone who has your link can view the photo, but they can't edit or delete it. Copying the link finally. Click Copy Link. The link is now saved to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere. Email, text message, social media, or even inside a document. Whoever clicks that link will be able to view your photo instantly. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a picture to Google Drive and created a shareable link in just a few minutes. No extra apps, no complicated settings, just a simple and secure way to share your photos in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.